Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about aerodynamics and aerodynamic shapes. First of all, let's start by understanding a bit more about what aerodynamics is. What do you think aerodynamics is or is related to? You can pause the video now before hearing the full explanation. Aerodynamics is the way air moves around things. The rules of aerodynamics explain how an airplane is able to fly. Anything that moves through air reacts to aerodynamics. A rocket blasting off the launch pad and a kite in the sky react to aerodynamics. Aerodynamics even acts on cars, since air flows around cars. Also, cows. Let's have a look at some shapes and the way air is interacting with them. But before we start, let me give you a hint. Think about when you are in the car and someone is driving and you stick your hand out the window. When you hold it vertically, the hand is being pushed back because it has a larger surface area on which the incoming wind can act on. But when you hold it horizontally, it is a lot easier to hold the hand against the incoming air because of the reduced surface area wind comes directly in contact with. Now, let's talk a bit about aerodynamic shapes. Here you can see air is flowing around different shapes. Which shape do you think is the most aerodynamic and why? You can observe how the cube has a bulkier shape, therefore the air struggles to go past it. This shape guides the incoming airflow better because of its rounded shape and lack of edges. Look at the tear shape and how its design lets the air smoothly flow past. Now, enough chatting and let's get straight into it. This is my super awesome paper plane fleet. Don't worry, you'll probably have a fleet of yourself by the end of this.
Basic dart.
It has a slim, compact shape that can blast through the air, so it will be able to fly a long distance.
The buzz.
Has a bit of a bulky front, so it will be more difficult for it to fly as far as the basic dart, as the front is less aerodynamic.
UFO.
Really wide, so it performs a more stable flight, but its less aerodynamic shape means that it will not fly far.
Fast glider.
Looks cool, am I right? And because of its additional tail and wing features, it provides stability. Also, the front of the paper plane is pointy, which means it will smoothly glide through the air for a long distance. Now, you can choose what paper plane or paper planes to build and make your own fleet to compete in the ultimate paper plane competition. Why do you think your chosen aircrafts will fly faster, further, or be more stable than your opponents? Hint: think aerodynamic shapes. On the Fold and Flight website, you can find all paper plane models showcased in the presentation and many more. Each paper plane has a step-by-step guide to help you. Additionally, below each model you can observe the performance features, distance, time aloft, and acrobatic of each paper plane. Have fun and may the best paper plane win!